A stable Wi-Fi connection is key for browsing, streaming, and staying connected. But many Android users face the frustrating issue of not being able to connect to Wi-Fi. In this video, we'll go over 11 solutions to quickly fix this problem. Part 1. Why is my Android not connecting to Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi on. Enable Wi-Fi password. Check password. Signal. Move closer. Router. Restart route. Reconnect. Forget and reconnect. Airplane mode. Turn off. Update. Check updates. IP conflict. Set static IP. Part 2. How to fix Android phone not connecting to Wi-Fi in 10 ways. Fix 1. Ensure your phone is connected. Go to Settings, Network and Internet or Connections, Wi-Fi. Enable Wi-Fi. Check the Wi-Fi indicator at the top. If it's absent or weak, move closer to the router and try reconnecting. Fix 2. Forget the network and reconnect. Open Settings, Wi-Fi. Tap the network name or gear icon on Samsung Forget. When it reappears, tap it and re-enter the password. Fix 3. Disable airplane mode. Fix 4. Turn off Bluetooth. Fix 5. Update software. Fix 6. Return to default settings. Fix 7. Update problematic apps. Fix 8. Restart wireless router. Fix 9. Hard reset your phone. Fix 10. Contact the Wi-Fi provider. Part 3. How to fix Android not connecting to Wi-Fi. High success rate. Right bracket data N Android device F. An Android Wi-Fi issue is often linked to system problems. Android repair can fix over 50 system issues, but may cause data loss. Be sure to back up your device before using it. Step 1. Open Android Repair and go to the System Repair tab. Step 2. Connect your device. Select Android Repair, review the issues, and click Start. Step 3. In the subsequent window, provide the necessary information about your device and click Next to continue. Enter 00000 in the specified field and select Confirm. Step 4a. For devices equipped with the Home button, power off your phone and simultaneously press the Home, Power, and Volume Down buttons for 10 seconds. Release all buttons, then press Volume Up to enter download mode. Step 4b. For devices lacking a home button, turn off your phone and press the Bixby, Power, and Volume Down buttons for approximately 10 seconds before releasing them. Finally, press Volume Up to access download mode. Once you have entered download mode, click Next to download the appropriate firmware for your device. The tool will then automatically initiate the repair of the connection issue.